Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to write a Python programming on ATM pin verification. So ATM pin verification is basically used whenever you go to an ATM or whenever you try to insert your debit card into an ATM machine. So initially it will ask the pin number in order to withdraw the amount. So this is basically used to authenticate the verified ATM user. Okay, so whenever you insert an ATM card into an ATM machine, it will ask the 4-digit pin number or a 6-digit, whatever the number may be. So once you enter the valid pin number, then only you can withdraw the amount from ATM machine. So whenever you try to press any invalid pin number or a wrong pin number, so it will basically show like invalid pin or authentication unsuccessful, please try again. Okay, so if you really want to know like how exactly it works, so now let's try to see with the help of while loop in Python programming. So while loop is basically used whenever the while loop is basically executed whenever the condition is true. So once the condition or an expression is false, the while loops gets executed. Okay, so now let's see like how exactly it works. So now let's try to give pin is equal to, so what we'll give is initially we'll try to give some input and we'll type something like enter your 4 digits pin number. Okay, so first it will ask like enter your 4 digits pin number. Okay, so now while pin number is not equal to 6789, so why I am giving this, because let's assume that your 4 digits pin number is 6789. okay, and now let's see print invalid pin number. So that means whenever you try to enter a pin number which is other than 6789, it will show like invalid pin number. Okay, so now let's see print authentication successful. So here what we'll give is pin is equal to input of invalid pin number. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell or a program. Now let's try to see. So here it's asking for enter your 4 digits pin number. So I will try to enter any other number apart from this. Okay. So what I will do is like 3214. Okay, so it's showing like invalid pin number because so the basically the user's ATM pin number is 678 in this program. Okay, so again I will try to enter another number 5854. so again it's showing like invalid pin number. Okay, now let's try to see 6789. So now it says like authentication successful. Okay, so here what I will do is like I will try to change some text. So invalid pin number, please try again. So this shows like exactly the way you see in ATM machine. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. Enter your 4 digits pin number. So what I will do is like 1214. Invalid pin number, please try again. So now again I will enter 9874. Again it's showing like that. Now I will try to enter the same pin number, which is 6789, which is the user's valid pin number 6789. So now it shows like authentication successful. Okay, so this is how it basically works in any ATM machine. Okay, so that's all about this particular video. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.